In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in Xero in just 5 minutes. Once you become familiar with the process, you'll find it's a great way to get detailed insights tailored to your business needs. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page, which you can find at the Xero website or through a quick web search. Once there, click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click login. It's always a good practice to ensure your login credentials are secure and your browser is updated to avoid any security issues. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your accounting functions. From here, navigate to the accounting tab and then click on reports. This section houses various pre-made reports, but for now we'll focus on crafting a custom one. Once you're in the report section, click on account transactions. This is where you can filter data according to your specific requirements. Start by typing in the account you want to examine. For example, if you're interested in your business's cash flow, select that particular account. Next, you'll need to set your desired date range. You can choose specific months or a custom date range depending on what data you wish to analyze. This customization helps narrow down your report to the most relevant information. After setting the date range, click on the Save As button. This will bring up options to update and save your settings, ensuring your report reflects just the data you've chosen. At this point, you might want to tweak a few more details until you're satisfied with the layout. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Save As once again, then select Custom from the options available. This step allows you to name your new custom report. Giving it a clear and descriptive name will make it easy to identify later on. Finally, to save all your work, click on Save. Now, to access this report anytime you like, head back to the Accounting tab and click on Reports. Here, look for the Custom section, and you'll find your newly created report ready to use. And there you have it. Your custom report is all set in Xero. Whether you're tracking expenditures or analyzing revenue, having a custom report can make all the difference in your day-to-day operations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, experimenting and tailoring your reports in Xero allows for a finer understanding of your accounting data. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.